How to fix TikTok website link not working. So let's get started. So basically, in order to add TikTok website on your bio, you need to register your business or simply have more than 1000 followers. If you don't have any of them, then you cannot add website on your TikTok link. Now, step 1 is to make sure you have a TikTok business account. To switch from the default personal account, head over to your profile and tap on the hamburger menu on the top right. Then simply choose Settings and Privacy. Then select Account and then inside the account, tap on the Switch to Business Account option available there. Now follow the prompts to learn more about the TikTok business account features. Then choose the most appropriate category for your business account from the list and you are good to go. Now click the Edit Profile button and scroll down to Website and enter your preferred link into the website field. Now if you have under 1000 followers, you may be prompted to register your business. Now the process is relatively simple. If you have all your relevant information handy, that includes your legal business name, address and depending on a reason, your business license ID. Now tap on the Get Started option available there. Then simply tap on Register and enter all the business informations. Right now, the register business option is only available in certain countries, but the social media app plans to add more often. So, as I mentioned, you might be below the 1000 follower requirement. If that is the case, use a workaround that you might find helpful. Simply add your link in the bio description field. Yes, it is not clickable, which is not ideal, but is better than not having a link at all. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.